Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2014 Ford Focus. So from any screen, this is the rotary control. I always attempt to turn this, which is the volume control. So you don't turn that. You use the arrows on this center bit. First of all, nav, route, destination, route, destination, input, traffic, home address. So again, I was going there to try and turn it down, the rotary control, but you don't, you use the arrow. So down, then the center, click OK. City and postcode. There we go. Now, again, I have to be very careful doing this, because what I need to do is, we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, P. Like I say, using the arrows, not the turning it. R, it's defaulted to numbers, 5, 4, always get these the wrong way around, E, A, PR5 4EA. You'll see down here in the corner, OK. The instructions here in the corner, well, there's 4 instructions along the bottom, OK, keyboard, backspace or cancel. Now again, those correspond to these, so if you click that, nothing happens. What you have to do is, OK, the left one is this, cancel, the right one is here. So we click OK. That's all I want to do. You can put a road in or whatever, but the generic postcode is good enough for me. So I need to do start. So you've got start, store, coordinates and map. Again, these 4 buttons, start. Eco, fast or short. I want fast. So use the arrows and click OK.
You will arrive at your destination on the left after 100 yards.
That's it. That's how you do it. It's pretty easy. Ford always have the best systems, the easiest systems, but you just have to remember to use the arrows and the OK here, and then these 4 buttons along the bottom. At the moment it's saying zoom, move, step or mute. Again, so that one would be mute. That's not stop, sorry. That one's stop, that's move, and that's zoom. So if I click that, there you go. You can zoom, and then I can use that to zoom in like so, and click OK when you've done it. That's how you set the sat nav.